Welcome to Brainy Kids.
Hello, Brainy Kids. Today we will learn the use of is, are, am. We use is for he, she, it. Are is used for you, we, they, and plural. Am is used only for I. Let's start learning these concepts with examples. He is going to the school.
He is going to the school.
She is reading a book.
She is reading a book.
The dog is running.
The dog is running.
I am baking a cake.
I am baking a cake.
I am writing a story.
I am writing a story.
I am playing football.
I am playing football.
You are a good girl.
You are a good girl.
They are going to the school.
They are going to the school.
The flowers are blooming.
The flowers are blooming.
We are happy.
We are happy.
Thank you for watching. Subscribe us for more amazing lessons.